guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Temitope Banks if you are new here. So I'm hopping on the my name is Temitope Banks. So I'm hopping on the cook with 1,500 naira challenge by SisiYemmiechallengedme Banks. Hey, let me talk, okay? By SisiYemmiechallengedme Banks. I am an Abuja based YouTuber and I'm going to be going to one of the markets very close to me. I live on the outskirts of Abuja, okay, but Abuja has two sides. There's the big people side and there's this side. So I'm just going to be going to the market close to my house, and I'm going to show you guys my shopping list and what I'm going to be doing, okay? So for the vegetables I'm going to be making yam pottage, okay, and I'm going to be using vegetable for my garden. I blog about gardening, so you can check out my playlist on my garden videos in the description box. I'm going to take you guys to my garden to show you the vegetable I'm going to be using from the garden, then we'll go to the market, okay? So if you haven't subscribed, please join my family here, okay? Subscribe to this channel. So let me not waste your time, let's go and do our market list. All right, this is the 1,500 naira that I'm going to be taking to the market, but I just want to write out what I'm going to be preparing. So I want to prepare yam pottage, so this is what I'm going to be buying in the market. So let's just write the list out. So yam is about 350 400, so I'm just going to put 400 naira yam. So I'm going to buy one yam. I'm also going to be buying pepper, fresh pepper. I'm going to buy 50 naira fresh pepper. Crayfish, I'm going to buy 100 naira crayfish. Titus fish, I'm going to buy one and it's 350 naira. I'm also going to buy panla. 3 panla is 200 naira. I have maggi and onions at home, but for the purpose of this video, let me just put maggi. Okay, so you guys, I'm at my garden and I'm just going to, I've already done some other videos before, so I'm just going to be showing you guys. So I currently have shoko growing, so this is the shoko that I'm going to be making use of. Can you see them? They're small currently, but this is what I'm just going to cut from it. Okay, I think I would go to that bush there. Mr. Man, leave there. I'm just going to come here and cut from these ones here because they are like the ones that are big enough. Okay, so yeah. Don't sit down there. Don't sit down there, Mr. Man. At my customer's place, because the challenge is to cook with 1,500 naira, so I'm just going to be buying the things from her. And yes, so let us bring out our list. 250.
This one 250, they are 250, 300, 350.
Okay, give me the one of 350. So you guys, there's a difference between original Titus and, is it fake Titus now they used to call that one?
Kamapala.
Kamapala. What's the difference? Is it not the same species?
Different taste. Different taste.
Okay. It's one man, one female. You give me one last. Okay. Some people don't know. Okay, this one is original one. This one is sweeter than that. This one is how much?
This one is 600.
Oh, okay. No, I'll buy the one of 350. This one does not enter our budget. Fresh one. Crayfish 100. Many onions is for 15 naira.
I don't need it much.
Auntie, how many onions is for 15 naira?
3.
Okay, so this is how our Abuja people sell our own. This is 3 for 15 naira in Abuja. Crayfish 100 naira. Maggi 15 naira. No, how many is no for 15 naira?
4.
4 for 15 naira. Okay. So my calculation, I'm correct. Crayfish, okay. Pepper, crayfish, Titus fish, manla, Maggi. Maggi is 4 for 15 naira. It's not 3.50 naira. Then onions is 3.50 naira. So they don't have yam here, so I'm going to go and look for somewhere else to buy yam. This is 50 naira, 100 naira cup. Which one is 50 naira? Okay, this is the cup for 50 naira. So I'm buying the one of 50 naira. Then I should buy 100 naira. Sorry, that's
A feeling for you. A feeling for you. I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive, devote. This is the seed, light the show. Watch them grow. I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive, devote. This is the seed, light the show. Watch them grow.
So this is 1,500. So you give me 100 naira. Okay, thank you very much. Sorry, I'm using my left hand. So I am done here. So we're just going to calculate. I changed my mind. I decided to buy what's it called, plantain instead of yam because they don't have yam, and I don't want to work out too much. So let me just buy everything here. Then I would go home and go and do our experiment of 1,500 naira. So you guys, I don't know how this happened, but I misplaced the footage of me giving a breakdown of the things I bought. Like, I don't understand, but these are the things that I got anyway. I eventually used the extra 100 now to buy power oil because I remembered that we're going to fry the fish. But these are the things that we got. So everything, I spent the entire 1,500 naira. So let's get cooking.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream. Until our last breath, every heartbeat.
things that I've prepped the panla. This is onions and pepper, oil, palm oil, as well as crayfish and stock bouillon cubes. I'm using Knor to prepare it. So the plantain is already on the fire, it's already cooking. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army.
Thank you so much, guys. So this is the final result of the challenge. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel if you are not yet subscribed. I'll see you in my next